Imagine a world where Ripple, a cutting-edge blockchain technology, revolutionizes the financial landscape by replacing the Federal Reserve. This bold vision, highlighted by industry expert Ashley Prosper, isn't just a fantasy, it's a potential reality. Discover how legislative changes, regulatory approvals, and advanced financial strategies could transform Ripple into the new backbone of the U.S. economy. Curious about how this shift could redefine monetary policy and economic stability? Stay tuned as we delve into the groundbreaking possibilities of Ripple's future role in global finance. Can Congress truly dismantle the Federal Reserve and create a new financial entity? To replace the Federal Reserve, significant legislative changes would be required. Congress would need to pass laws to dismantle the Federal Reserve and establish a new entity. This is no small feat and would involve extensive political will and support. The legislative process is complex, requiring the drafting of bills, committee reviews, debates, and votes in both the House of Representatives and the Senate. Additionally, the President's approval would be necessary to enact these laws. Such a move would likely face opposition from various stakeholders who benefit from the current system, making the political landscape challenging. Achieving this requires a majority in both houses of Congress and the President's approval, making it a challenging but crucial first step. Successful legislative changes would mark a significant milestone in Ripple's journey to replace the Federal Reserve. Will regulatory bodies like the SEC support Ripple's ambition to replace the Federal Reserve? Ripple would need approval from various regulatory bodies such as the SEC and the Treasury. The presence of former SEC and Treasury officials on Ripple's board could facilitate this process. Regulatory compliance is essential for gaining trust and legitimacy. The SEC, in particular, plays a critical role in overseeing securities markets and protecting investors. Ripple's ability to navigate regulatory challenges and align its operations with legal requirements would be pivotal. Additionally, gaining the Treasury's support would ensure that Ripple's financial activities are in line with national economic policies. Securing regulatory approval would pave the way for Ripple's acceptance as a central financial entity. This approval would legitimize Ripple's operations and foster confidence among investors and the public. How can Ripple manage inflation and interest rates effectively? For Ripple to replace the Federal Reserve, it must be able to control monetary policy effectively. This includes managing inflation, setting interest rates, and other critical aspects of monetary policy. Ripple would need to demonstrate its capability in this area to stakeholders. Effective monetary policy control involves using tools such as open market operations, reserve requirements, and discount rates. Ripple would also need to analyze economic indicators and trends to make informed decisions. Establishing a track record of sound monetary policy management would be crucial for gaining trust. Effective control over monetary policy is essential to ensure economic stability and stakeholder confidence. Ripple's success in this area would be a cornerstone of its role as a central bank. Can Ripple seamlessly integrate with the existing U.S. banking system? Development. Seamless integration with the existing U.S. banking system is crucial. Ripple's technology must work flawlessly with current banking infrastructure to ensure stability and efficiency. This would involve extensive collaboration with banks and financial institutions. The integration process would include testing and validation of Ripple's technology to ensure compatibility with existing systems. Additionally, Ripple would need to address concerns related to transaction speed, security, and scalability. Building strong partnerships with key financial institutions would be essential for smooth integration. Successful integration would mean Ripple could operate without disrupting the current banking operations. This would enable a seamless transition and foster trust among banking stakeholders. Is Ripple's blockchain capable of handling large-scale transactions? Developing and maintaining a robust financial infrastructure capable of handling large-scale financial transactions is essential. Ripple's blockchain technology would need to prove its reliability and security on a national scale. The infrastructure should support high transaction volumes, fast processing times, and low fees. Additionally, Ripple must ensure that its system can withstand cyber attacks and other security threats. Regular updates and improvements to the blockchain technology would be necessary to keep up with growing demands and technological advancements. A reliable infrastructure would establish Ripple as a credible alternative to the Federal Reserve. This would ensure smooth financial operations and build confidence in Ripple's capabilities. How secure is Ripple against cyber threats? Implementing top-level cybersecurity measures is vital for gaining public and governmental trust. Ripple must ensure that its systems are secure against cyber threats and capable of protecting sensitive financial data. This involves using advanced encryption methods, conducting regular security audits, and implementing robust authentication processes. Additionally, Ripple should have a dedicated cybersecurity team to monitor and respond to potential threats. Ensuring data integrity and confidentiality is crucial for maintaining trust in Ripple's financial system. Robust cybersecurity would build confidence in Ripple's ability to safeguard the financial system. Effective security measures would protect against financial fraud and cyber attacks, ensuring the safety of users' assets. Can Ripple maintain economic stability during financial crises? Ripple would need to demonstrate its ability to maintain economic stability and manage financial crises. This involves having strategies in place to address economic fluctuations and unforeseen financial challenges. Ripple must be prepared to implement measures such as adjusting interest rates, providing liquidity support, and stabilizing the financial markets. Collaborating with government agencies and international organizations would also be essential in times of crisis. A strong crisis management framework would enable Ripple to respond effectively to economic downturns and maintain stability. Proving its crisis management capabilities would reinforce Ripple's position as a reliable financial authority. Effective crisis management would ensure economic resilience and confidence among stakeholders. Will Ripple ensure transparent and accountable governance? Establishing transparent and accountable governance structures is key. Ripple would need to ensure that its decision-making processes are clear and that it operates with integrity and transparency. This involves setting up oversight committees, publishing regular reports, and engaging with stakeholders. Transparent governance helps build trust and credibility, as stakeholders can see how decisions are made and understand the rationale behind them. Additionally, Ripple should implement policies to prevent conflicts of interest and ensure ethical conduct. Transparent governance would enhance trust and credibility among stakeholders. Effective governance structures would support Ripple's operations and foster confidence in its leadership. How will Ripple coordinate with global financial entities? Development. Ripple must coordinate with international financial entities such as central banks, the IMF, and the World Bank. Global cooperation is crucial for maintaining financial stability and facilitating international trade. Ripple would need to establish strong relationships with these entities, ensuring that its operations align with global financial policies and standards. This would involve participating in international forums, collaborating on cross-border payment solutions, and adhering to international regulations. Effective coordination would enable Ripple to integrate into the global financial system smoothly. Effective coordination would integrate Ripple into the global financial system, ensuring its operations are globally accepted and trusted. Can Ripple issue currency and act as a lender of last resort? Ripple must be capable of issuing currency and acting as a lender of last resort. These functions are fundamental roles of a central bank, and Ripple would need to fulfill them effectively. Issuing a stable and widely accepted currency would require rigorous financial management and trust from the public. Acting as a lender of last resort means providing liquidity to financial institutions in times of crisis to prevent systemic collapse. This role requires substantial financial reserves and a deep understanding of the banking system. Mastering these roles would solidify Ripple's status as a central bank, ensuring financial stability and confidence in its currency. Will Ripple hire top financial and economic experts? Recruiting top experts in finance and economics is essential for Ripple to manage its new responsibilities. Having a team of knowledgeable professionals would support Ripple in making informed decisions and maintaining economic stability. These experts would bring valuable experience from traditional financial institutions and central banks, aiding in the transition and management of monetary policy. Their expertise would also be crucial in navigating regulatory landscapes and ensuring Ripple's operations are robust and compliant with financial laws. A strong team of experts would bolster Ripple's operational effectiveness and credibility in the financial sector. Is Ripple committed to continuous financial research? Ripple should conduct continuous research to enhance the U.S. financial system. Staying ahead of financial trends and technological advancements is crucial for long-term success. Research initiatives could focus on improving blockchain technology, developing new financial products, and exploring innovative solutions for economic challenges. By investing in research, Ripple can ensure its technology remains cutting-edge and its financial strategies are effective. Collaborating with academic institutions and industry think tanks can also provide valuable insights and drive innovation. Ongoing research would ensure Ripple remains innovative and adaptive, positioning it as a leader in financial technology. What is Ripple's plan for a smooth transition? Creating a detailed transition plan to take over the Federal Reserve's responsibilities without causing economic disruption is critical. This plan should outline the steps Ripple will take to ensure a smooth and effective transition. Key elements of the plan would include timelines, resource allocation, risk management strategies, and stakeholder engagement. By anticipating challenges and preparing for various scenarios, Ripple can minimize potential disruptions. Clear communication with the public and financial institutions will also be crucial to maintain confidence during the transition. A well-structured plan would mitigate risks and ensure continuity, fostering trust in Ripple's ability to manage the transition smoothly. How will Ripple communicate changes to the public? Developing effective communication strategies to inform the public and international community about the changes and benefits of Ripple's new role is vital. Clear and transparent communication can help build trust and support. This involves regular updates, educational campaigns, and open dialogues with stakeholders. Ripple should leverage various communication channels, including social media, press releases, and public forums, to reach a broad audience. Transparency in its operations and decision-making processes will be key to gaining public trust. Effective communication would foster public and international confidence in Ripple's new role, ensuring widespread understanding and support. While Ripple's potential to replace the Federal Reserve is speculative, it highlights the innovative possibilities within the financial sector. Significant legislative, regulatory,